This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll learn understanding on GOTO statement by using and executing a program in GWB basic programming language. So for this we will switch to the IDE, integrated development environment, where we will type a program and we'll execute and we'll show the output on the screen, and to understand how on GOTO statement are used in GWB basic. So here we are, viewers. We will type a program. At line number 5 we will type input a comma b, two variables, and then at line number 10 we will type input 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, and then we'll put double quote, semicolon, and variable n. At line number 20 we'll type on and go to 30, 40, 50, 60. At line number 30 we will type print a plus b colon type go to 70. Line number 40 we will type print a minus b colon go to 70. Line number 50 we will type print a into b colon go to 70. Line number 60 we will type print a divided by b, and at line number 70 we will type e and d n. So this is the complete program. Now we're gonna save it. We'll press the F4 key and we'll type the name go on and on go to 2.bs, name of the program. Now we will load. We will type F3 key and we'll press the F3 key and type on go to 2. We'll type it again. We'll press F3 key and type on go to 2.bas. Now I'll press the F2 key to run the program and see the output. Will give the value 5 as an A, 3 as in B, and when we press the enter key, now we can perform the multiplication. So we need to press the key 3. So here you can see, viewers, 5 3s are 15. The multiplication has been performed this way. So this is one program, and if we want to perform one more program, then you can type it right over here. So viewers, the same program can be performed in another way, like we can type at line number 10 CLS, and then in line number 20 we'll type input and type enter first number equal to sign double quotes comma a. Line number 30 we can type input enter second number line number 40 we can type input 1 for add, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, and if you want to, then we can give 5 for exponent calculation. You can give double quotes, semicolon, and then press C. Line number 50 we can type on C go to. So C is the variable which is going to take the values from all of these options we can give, and give the option according to the number. The functions will be performed accordingly. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we'll type at line 60, we'll type print a plus b semicolon and Line 70 will type print a minus b colon and line 80 will type print a multiplied by b colon and line number 90 will type print a divided by b colon and line number 100 will type print a will give the sign this will give we need to give a caret sign this way. So this is the sign which is called caret, which is used to calculate the exponent, the power of any value we will use and perform it. And here at line number 1 type e and the end. So we will save it, we'll press the F4 key and type on GOTO 3.bs, name of the program. We will load it by pressing the F3 key, and I will type on GOTO 3.bs. Now we'll run it. Now in this case we will type the first value 5,3. So here we'll first give the value of 5, second 2, and another option is 5 for exponent calculation. This answer will be 25. So this is how we have calculated the exponent by using this command. And if we see the list program, so here you can see that we have this line, so we need to edit the line number 5. So we'll type edit and press 5. Now we're going to erase this program and press enter. Now if you see, the changes are still there, so we actually need to remove this line. So we'll type edit and press 5. Here we will erase this, and now we'll save this and type on GOTO 3.bs, and we'll load it. Type on GOTO 3.bs, type list. So if you want to do it, we can also type edit 5 and just remove these lines. If you type list, now as you can see there are no lines at line number 5. We press F2 key, so we can give 3, and the power we want to calculate is 2, so the answer will be 9. We'll press 5 option to calculate the exponent of it, so 9 will be the answer. So this is the program we have learned today. We can perform multiple operations by using the on GOTO statement. That's all for today, and thanks for watching my video.